Hi, I'm JB Davis, the General Manager here at Performance Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Centerville. We're trying to do everything we can to improve our service.
Hey guys, it's Seth from Performance Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I'm currently a technician here, and this is why you should service with us. We have tons of amenities here that help your service go quick and easy, such as our iService videos. Those are our in-depth videos that our technicians like me get to send to you directly to your phone that shows you all your car's needs and everything that we did on the vehicle for you today.
Our iService tool takes you under the hood with your technician and keeps you in the loop with what's going on with your car.
Through iService, you can also pay or fill out any paperwork on your vehicle.
Hi everybody, my name is Ken Staffieri. I'm the Internet Sales Manager here at Performance Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Centerville. Did you know you don't even have to schedule your service here at the dealership anymore? You can actually call in or go online and check out our website. We can actually come to you. We'll pick up your vehicle, we'll get it into service, get it all taken care of, run it through the wash, and we'll bring it back to you. And there's no additional charge for that.
Along with our pickup and delivery service, you'll never have to leave the comfort of your home to get your car serviced again.
If you have somewhere to be while your vehicle is being serviced here, we have complimentary loaner vehicles that you can drive today. Your vehicle will be serviced by master certified technicians who have been working on these cars for years. If you've got to pack your lunch and need something to go, we also have snacks, coffee, and random drinks to pick up while you're here. If your budget's a little tight this month, we also have financing options that can help you out today. At the end of your service, we also have a free optional car wash. Servicing your vehicle at Performance Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram is easy and convenient.
We love taking care of our performance customers.
Call us or go to our website today.